Good morning, I'm Randy Hopkins, and I want to talk to you a little bit about investing in real estate secured loans and investing with Hopkins Financial. We're a private mortgage broker and we take investors' money and we loan it to people secured against real estate when conventional sources can't help. So before I go into some detail of that, I'd just like to tell you a little bit of history of myself and Hopkins Financial. I'm born and raised Caldwell, Idaho guy, graduated from college, and after I graduated from college, got into real estate in the early 80s, and banks would not do what's called non-conforming loans or subprime loans. And that simply means when a borrower owns real estate and they don't have good enough credit, or the property doesn't conform, or they need money quickly, there's many situations that are created in the marketplace that are a good, secure investment, and conventional sources or banks can't help. We all know in this marketplace, we've heard the subprime crisis. The fundamental problem with the subprime Wall Street lenders were they would loan 100% of the value of property instead of making only a certain percentage loan to a value of the property. So what we fundamentally do again is take private investors' money like yours and we loan it to people secured against real estate when banks can't help. I like to use live examples. For example, the other day our company funded a $35,000 loan that was secured against a mobile home on an acre in Eagle, Idaho. And that $35,000 loan was funded by a private investor, and it yielded the investor a 10% return. Yes, 10% return, and the $35,000 loan was secured on about a half acre and this manufactured home. And the reason that the bank could not do that loan is because the mobile home was on a foundation. So that the reason that the opportunity exists for you, the investor, is because there's something non-conforming about the loan investment. It's either the borrower's credit is not quite good enough, or the property is non-conforming, like a mobile home on an acreage or residence on a commercially zoned lot, or somebody needs money more quickly. So how can a individual real estate loan be secure? Well, you only loan a certain loan to value against a property. So for example, on that mobile home loan that a private investor funded, is how did we secure ourselves? We only loaned $35,000 against a property that's surely worth $50,000. So we were 70% of the value of the property. That's called loan to value. So fundamentally, how you secure yourself in the private money or private loan industry is you only loan a certain percentage of the value of the property. In case the borrower doesn't pay, you can protect your principal and a yield. So we are a private mortgage broker. We funded about $600 million since 1983, since I founded the company. This opportunity is a great diversification of any investment portfolio, whether you have stocks, bonds, etc., or even if you have an IRA, you can set your IRA up at a truly self-directed trustee, and we have those here in Boise Valley and in the Western United States. You can potentially take advantage of investing money in individual real estate secured loans. Secondarily, if you have, you generally need about $20,000 or more to make an individual loan. And so how do you go about introducing yourself to us? Is simply call or Aaron or I at the office. We need to know what the minimum amount you want to invest or the maximum amount, what type of property that you want to loan against, etc. And we can take you through the process from how you commit to the loan, and then we get title insurance at a title company. We set your loan up in escrow, and we have our sister company, Hopkins Loan Services, that can service the loan for you and make your mortgage investment management free. So with that stated, we've been in business since 1983. We funded over $600 million in all kinds of individual loans. We also have a mortgage/real estate backed fund called Hopkins Fixed Rate Fund that you can consider investing in. And all of this information, or the basics, are on our website at hopkinsfinancial.com, or you can call 208-HOPKINS. And thank you very much for your time. I hope you consider investing with us because we're continuing to create solutions and discover opportunity. Even in this tough real estate market, it's a great time to invest. Thanks a million.